Your vessel is the beating heart of your business. It is also responsible for the lives of your crew. Therefore, regular checks and maintenance are essential. There are various frequencies where checks and maintenance must occur. Every vessel is different, and the maintenance schedule needs to be tailored to your vessel. It is extremely valuable for this information to be logged, but above all, it is a requirement for AMSA surveys.
The sea and the air, aviation, are two of the most unforgiving environments you can possibly be in. And so to have things go wrong loads the crew up, and all of a sudden you can get yourself into an unsafe situation. To be proactive in your maintenance and not have to handle those things at sea makes the whole environment safer.